Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy here, Chandler Trades, and today we are either gonna rape NQ or NQ is gonna rape us. So here we go. We're locked in here. Bearish SMT out of this 4 hour fair value gap. So we're coming out of this 4 hour with the bearish SMT. We have, let's go back to the 15 minute. We got all this LR, London low, right under London low. We got a 30 minute fair value gap that hasn't been tapped yet. So I really want to try to take shorts down to about, London low would be nice. It's definitely looking like shorts about to eat today. So let's see if we can get a really good trade in. We got this 5 minute condition here. We inversed on the 15 minute. So we got this 15 minute inverse 4 hour SMT out of this bearish 4 hour fair value gap. We got all this LR. We got fair value gaps that haven't been blown through yet. I mean, shit, we could really see market come down to here today. Back down to these lows, which is crazy. Trump's was speaking at 9 a.m., so I'm sure market's going to move today, dude. Let's just see if we can capitalize from this shit today. So, we just have to wait and see. Alright. So, that being said, yeah, pretty bearish on the day. Pretty bearish on today. Alright. Alright, I'm excited. Oh, the heater just turned on, so you guys are probably definitely going to hear that. I really don't know which one of these settings turn it on. Voice cancellation is kind of hard to tell. So, 1 minute till market opens. We are absolutely dumping right now. About to snag this low here that caused this SMT. We had a bullish SMT right here. About to get broken right here, so it's about to happen right about now. Check out the 15 minute. We really want shorts down in this level here, but we'll see what happens today. We'll see what happens, dude. We'll see what happens. A little hourly fair value gap, which is that 30-minute fair value gap, which I definitely see getting smoked today, like a Swisher Sweet. I'm excited today. Yesterday, I lost $1,300, taking 2 losses back to back. Literally got tapped hard. But with that being said, 1 loss a day. We cannot take more than 1 L a day. Market's open. Let's see what market wants to freaking do. Alright, so both these lows were swept on both indexes. A likey. Let's see what market is going to want to do here. Hopefully we can just open up a 15-minute, because hopefully this 15-minute can stay open. My neck is fucked up today, so if you see me all fucked up with my neck, like looking at the computer all weird, my neck is cooked. So, alright, lock in. Market's moving really nice today. I'm really liking how clean this market's looking. Alrighty, so we got another bullish SMT playing out right now, so I really don't even want to be trading when there's a bullish and a bearish SMT. I need more of a direction on price, especially with this low down here. I definitely see this London low and Q getting tapped, so we just need to be super open to not looking at that as a bullish SMT, I should say. Market is absolutely just dumping all the way down to here. Let's see what we can do here. If we can catch it, or it's just gonna shit. We're just not gonna catch it. I don't think so, guys. It's not looking like we're gonna catch it, dude. But with that being said, because trade number 1 already completely played out, 2, boom, which would have been TP right there if we had a good retrace. We can look for maybe something back up here, because we already swept Asia low here. Swept this low. It just tapped into that 30-minute, the hourly here, 15-minute here. Alrighty, so now we got a big bullish SMT with. Actually, hold up. Let me speak facts for a second. ES definitely wants to come down for these lows because it didn't sweep that. There we go. Here we go. We're cooking again. We're cooking again. All right, let's see what we can do. Hopefully we can open up a little 15-minute condition. I don't know. Let's just watch and learn, baby. Watch and learn. All right. Wow, Trump is just talking about Iran, huh? We're gonna bomb the fuck out of Iran. He's probably like, Iran will get bombed today. Oh wow. Just what a punch to the downside. Looks like on the 4-hour chart, we're moving really hard towards these lows. I really want to see us come back up to a 5-minute condition so we can take shorts, but right now we're just not getting any of that. Nada. Heading down here to these lows I know that are going to get taken out on ES. Looks like shit. Alrighty. Alrighty. Shit. These lows are going to get taken out, so very confident on that happening today. Look at that sweat, dude. Holy shit. I swear I'm not nervous. I'm just fucking lit from the gym, for real. Maybe we're going to hold this SMT here. Might as well just take this off. This shit was already completely used. This shit completely got rinsed. Yeah. Hopefully right here will form a 5-minute condition. A 5-minute condition. Sorry guys, you know how it is waiting for a trade to brewski. I'm sweating like a bitch. I need to go get some water or something. I'll be back. Just look at my dirty laundry in the meantime. All right. Let's hope this 5-minute condition holds. Which it will. I'm pretty confident. Please, 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 please. Open up that fucking 5 minutes so we can fucking take shorts out of here. I don't know, we'll probably just take it down to like the major low of this. We really don't need to this long. Oh, look at that. What a sweeper. What a sweeper. So now, what I'm looking at is if we inverse this 5 minute, we could literally take this shit all the way up here, which would be fucked. We're gonna have to wait and see. This is a sweep of God, dude. Holy schmicky. Wow. Holy shit. So what if we inverse at 3 minute? Do we just do it? I'm just kidding. For real though. If we inverse this 3 minute, I'm in. Wait, is there a 5 minute? That's very important. No, there's not a 5 minute, but there is this 3 minute. Fuck, I'm in. Yeah, we inverse that 3 minute. I'm in that bitch. I'm taking this bitch up to here. No 5 minute. We'll just go back up to New York opening price, right? That's New York opening price. It's 8. Where's 9:30 at? We'll just go there. Man. I see. This is like one of those days to where we got that 3 minute inverse. Yep. You got the high time frame SMT with this low. I really like this trade. I do. I really like this trade. I can definitely see price coming back up to here. Alright. Cooking right now. Just gotta watch. Make sure there's no. We'll go break even at this 5 minute gap. Alright, so we'll go on break even here. Oh no. Hopefully not. There's some shit, huh? Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. You know you want to for the one time with the one time. I feel like I low-key got a shitty ass entry, bro. Ah. I'll close my whole damn trade. Jesus. Alright, we're absolutely shooting up right now. Holy shit. Keep going. Let's see what NQ is doing. We just hit that 5 minute. Hopefully we can keep going up a little more. Alright. Oh no. Come on. Come on. So we inverse a 3 minute. There was no 5 minute to inverse, so that was our condition. That's why I entered the trade. Literally this 3 minute inverse here. Bang. With a high time frame SMT at the bottom. And hopefully we can smack TP. Let's run the call. What up, boys? How we doing? Did you ever figure out your Top Step shit? Did you just contact them? Oh shit, there we go. That's alright, bro. That shit was confusing for real. I was having the same shit happen to me too, for real. Right. Yeah, low-key bottom take the fuck out of these longs. No, it was that SMT 3-minute inverse. Back to the upside. All that LR above, there was no 5-minute inverse, so that 3-minute inverse was the only one for real. So I entered right after we inversed that 3-minute on NQ with that SMT at the lows. Yeah, dude, I entered right after that candle close. Hopefully it doesn't fucking go down to my break even. Took 2 trades and got raped yesterday, so hopefully this shit hits, because I'll make that back from yesterday. I'm just taking it up to that fucking 9 a.m. high, because I really want to target that 7 a.m. high, but I'm not going to go crazy. I'm just going to take it up to the first major high, which low-key, we'll try to just go all the way up there for real. I'll try to target the whole thing, because I think that would be the major high, and then I'll just start trailing my stop once we close. Right there, yep, keep going, keep going. I'm trailing my stop, hopefully. Alright, we're trailing our stop. I'm gonna be pissed if it goes all the way back down to there. Alright, big dog. Yeah, thank you, brother. Have a good one. Damn, bro. I literally just smacked full TP. That was a fat fucking trade this morning. Holy shit. Hell yeah, dude. I literally made exactly how much I lost yesterday back. That's so depressing. But, yeah, no, for sure. No, 100%. I definitely just absolutely murked that whole trade right there. That was a beautiful trade, to be honest with you guys. Holy shit. I wanted shorts, but it just completely ate my first TP. And then I was like, well, if we SMT at these lows, longs would look good. An instant 3-minute inverse with no 5-minute to inverse and all that LR above. I was like, oh my god. Good shit. Yeah, longs are free today. I'm not gonna cap. Yeah, today's done. That's it. That's everything. All liquidity has been eaten alive. Hey, dude, when Trump speaks from now on, I'm hopping. There we go. Look at you, Josh. Holy shit. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, my stop loss was fucked again today, because even after that 3-minute inverse, even though my trade was still a 1 to 2, I would have blew my account if I would have lost $800 if I hit my stop loss today. I had an $800 stop loss. 7 micros. I entered after that 3-minute inverse, and with the stop loss, that would have made sense. It was an $800 stop loss. I don't. Yeah, here I'll share my screen just so you guys can see. Like I'm really not like going for it a lot. Right here, look. Like I don't know why it's so much. I think it's because it's so volatile. Like right, like this was my stop loss and everything. Right. The volume thing turned on? No, I don't. No, you're right. I should have left it running for real, but who cares? I should have. Yeah, that was an $800 stop loss right here, so it was a 1 to 2. Well, I honestly, it was more like I think it was 600. This, I was gonna, but I don't know. Fucking PB says if it's too like to at least go to the body, and I wasn't gonna fucking get stomped out. Yeah, because price could come down here and just to make a wick and respect this inverse, and it could have fucked me to go all the way back up to here. So that's why I went to the body. Fair. I'm trading 3 micros on my Express account. I don't give a fuck. I'm doing 3 micros. I'm gonna do like a $200 TP to $100 fucking stop loss. 3 micros. I'm taking that shit small and easy on my Express account. 3 micros. Micros, sorry. Yeah. What was a decent ass trade this morning? Market literally fucking set up like too good this morning not to take it. Super good, bro. Like, I'm gonna keep that in mind, you know, when Trump speaks. You're telling me. Yeah, bro, dude, that's an accomplishment, my guy. Like, I'm so proud of you, bro. Oh yeah, bro. You gotta, and then you'd be instantly profitable if you think about it. Oh, sorry guys. I don't mean to blare that shit in your ear. I'm probably gonna. I gotta file my taxes and shit and edit some YouTube videos, and I'm fucking done for the day. No, you guys are not in the YouTube video, I promise. Well, that shit was fucking free. I low-key thought we were gonna keep dumping out of that 4 hour, but like I was like, oh yeah, I'm not even really looking for longs today. But the way that shit set up, I was like, oh god, what a fake out. We're going back up for sure. Now I was looking at that 15-minute too. Good call. I was looking at that 15-minute, but when I seen market keep dumping on the 15-minute, that's when I was like, all right, once the 15-minute closes, I'll wait for that new condition to form. And fucking the 15-minute sucked all the way back up, and that's when I was like, oh, bro, the way fucking ES swept that low and was sucking back up with that SMT, and then the 3-minute inverse, I was like, I'm taking that shit long. All the way back up to data highs. That shit was clean. Alright, my guys. Alright, bro. I'm gonna start joining the calls after I trade and shit and stuff, just so fucking keeps me fucking from freaking out. Alright. See ya, boys. Have a good one.